In this session, I am going to create a function to find an nth Fibonacci number using recursive calls in many types. For that, I create a file type module. Within that, I create a function fib1 with parameter n as u32 data type, and it returns u32, so that we can get the Fibonacci number up to the limit of u32. Within this function, if the given number is 0 or 1, then return the same. And then, as per the recursive call logic of Fibonacci, I just try to find Fibonacci of n-1 and add fib of n-2. This will recursively call up to n equal to 0 and add all numbers. Now I create a tests module with test configuration and import all functions from recursive module using the line use super : asterisk semicolon. Then I create a test fn and call this function fib1 and print the given number and its Fibonacci number. Now I link this module in lib.rs, then only it will be the part of the project and it can run. As we know, Fibonacci series starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and so on. On the first run, I recursed fifth Fibonacci number, which is 5. Now test the project with cargo test -p and specify the create name control flow, then dash dash recursive functions tests test fn, then dash dash exit dash dash no capture to test the project. Now see the result. It returns 5 as fifth Fibonacci number. Now I like to calculate the time taken to find nth Fibonacci number. So I calculate it using instant time and elapsed time and print the duration. As of many logic, this will be the very slow one. So we will create another one function fibdo with different logic. Now I am not use the return keyword. A statement without semicolon will be automatically returned. Here 0 and 1 will be returned automatically. And in else part, I created a mutable variable x with value 1 to refer count variable. It should be less than given number on each loop. And I created a mutable variable a with value 0 to refer previous number and b to refer current number. And within while loop, find the next number by adding a and b and swap the numbers and increase count variable x. After the while loop, nth Fibonacci number is stored in variable b. Variable b without semicolon is treated as return statement, so it returns value of b. Now just find 45th Fibonacci number and run the test. It prints 45th Fibonacci number and it takes 200 nanoseconds. Now let me use function fib1 to get 45th Fibonacci number. See, it takes around 7.5 seconds, but fib2 takes around 200 nanoseconds to 500 nanoseconds. Now I just change the loop statement instead of while statement. Loop statement is not a conditional statement, so I manually check the condition and do break within that loop. Now run the tests. It also takes 400 nanoseconds. Now I just change line 50, that is return value of b with break. This is another version, still lot more are there. Next I replace break with continue statement and change the condition accordingly and break it at last. Now once again do some change and run the tests. Still, there are more logics. We will see it in next session. Thank you.